Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 not detecting second monitor. So guys, to resolve this issue, firstly click on Start. Here type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Now here guys, expand display adapters. Right click on your display adapter driver and update driver. Select this search automatically for drivers. You will see here the best drivers for your device are already installed. And also guys, you can you can update driver manually. So right click on it and properties and driver. So here guys, you will see driver provider advanced micro device, and here is the driver version and digital signature Microsoft Windows hardware compatibility publisher. So guys, if you are using like AMD, so open any web browser. Now here type AMD Driver, download, and also you can select for Windows 11. Now here select Windows 11 and AMD, its official link. Now here click on drivers and support. Then click on download now. Auto detect and install updates for random graphics and region cheapest drivers for Windows. And also guys, you can select your product from the list. So here graphics, and here guys you can select version, and easy way you can select auto detect, download now and install the software. Then install. So guys, you have to install the software and run this software, and after that click on this OK device manager and close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps we can fix and we can resolve Windows 11 not detecting second monitor problem. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not.